Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view all your Steam mod subscriptions in just a few simple steps. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Steam application on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Hover your mouse over your username to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, go ahead and click on Content. This section is where Steam stores all your workshop-related activity and subscriptions, making it easy to manage everything you've downloaded or subscribed to over time. After clicking Content, you'll be taken to a new page that displays various categories of your Steam content. Look at the top of this page where you'll see several tabs or options available. Click on Workshop items to filter your content specifically to mods and other user-generated workshop content. This section is dedicated to all the creative additions you've subscribed to from the Steam Workshop, whether they're mods, maps, skins, or other custom content created by the community. Now, on the right side of the screen, you'll notice another filtering option. Click on Subscribed items to narrow down your view even further. This is the key step that shows you everything you are currently subscribed to across all your games on Steam. It's a comprehensive list that helps you keep track of all the mods and workshop content you've added to your library, making it easy to manage or unsubscribe from items you no longer need. What's really useful about this view is that it shows only mods for that specific game when you filter by a particular title. This means you can easily organize and review your subscriptions game by game, ensuring you're only keeping the mods you actually use and removing any outdated or unwanted content. It's a great way to keep your workshop subscriptions clean and manageable, especially if you're someone who loves experimenting with different mods across multiple games. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Steam mod subscriptions and now know exactly where to find and manage all your workshop content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.